They call me little one, annoys me to the bone. They call me little one, 'cause still I haven't grown. And you know the funny thing, who calls me little one has somebody alongside him who calls him little one. I love being small. Down here it's the best. You can trip, you can fall, and still barely get hurt. After life is hard, you're so easy to spot. Down here, drop the guard. Little ones never get caught. We are all such little ones, parents, daughters, sons. Always there's somebody bigger than you think. Don't pretend you're the Titanic. Remember the Atlantic. Surely make you sing. They call me little one, but someday I'll be huge. A few laps around the sun, and I will look down on you. But still, if I remain a happy little one, oh no, I won't complain. Inside, I'm the biggest one. We are all such little ones, parents, daughters, sons. Always there's somebody bigger than you think. Don't pretend you're the Titanic. Remember the Atlantic. We surely make you sing. We are only little people, tiny, teeny, and feeble, living on this mighty planet, green and blue. That is also a little marble, floating in ensemble around this universe that's big and wide like you.